welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Today marks the start of Crypto Week in Washington, where Congress will debate three transformative crypto bills: the Genius Act for stablecoin oversight, the Clarity Act to define digital asset market structure, and the Anti-CBDC Surveillance State Act aimed at halting a Fed-backed digital currency. Well, the House Rules Committee meets today to set the schedule with votes on market structure rules expected Tuesday, July 15. This will have a great impact on the price of Bitcoin as well as the entire crypto market, as Bitcoin is now approaching the $120,000 mark after recently crossing the $190,000 all-time high. So if everything proceeds smoothly, the Genius Act could reach the president's desk by Friday, July 18, and this packed legislative agenda is already fueling bullish sentiment across crypto markets, as I mentioned. US spot Bitcoin ETFs raked in over $1 billion in inflows for 2 consecutive days, a first since their Jan 2024 launch. Now, Thursday brought in $1.17 billion and Friday $1.03 billion, totaling $2.72 billion in 5 days. So this surge has lifted Bitcoin to a new all-time high, and it is now approaching to $120,000. BlackRock's IBIT ETF achieved an unprecedented milestone, crossing $80 billion in assets under management, the fastest ETF to reach that mark. While Ethereum ETFs also delivered their strongest week yet, attracting $908 million. Solana leverages the meme coin fever with Pump.Fun, which spun up a staggering $600 million in just 12 minutes during its public ICO of the Pump token. Now, selling 150 billion tokens at $0.004 each, or the 15% of total supply, the rapid sellout came on the heels of a successful private round, pushing total funding over $1 billion. Now, proceeds will enhance Pump.Fun's launchpad, social trading features, and ecosystem incentives. Also, exchanges like Bybit, Kraken, and Pump.Fun itself participated in this headline-grabbing sale, with trading expected to begin July 18. In a rebuttal filed in Singapore court, CoinDCX CEO Sumit Gupta rejected accusations from WazirX that funds had been shifted to non-compliant entities in Lithuania. Gupta clarified that all user assets, both INR and crypto, are held by domestically registered Neblio Technologies, a FIU-IND compliant entity. He emphasized CoinDCX had no Lithuania operations before Feb 2025, and that the recent terms of service update aimed to increase transparency and user trust. Blockchain powerhouse Animoca Brands has signed a memorandum of understanding with DDC Enterprise to manage $100 million in Bitcoin reserves, aiming to generate yield from its Bitcoin holdings. Now, DDC is pursuing a long-term strategy to acquire 5,000 BTC over the next 3 years and has already secured 21. The partnership aligns with corporate treasury trends, marrying Animoca's digital asset focus with DDC CEO Norma Chu's leadership and cross-border market expertise. Binance founder CZ has issued a legal threat against Bloomberg following a report linking him to the USD1 stablecoin backed by Donald Trump. Describing the coverage as a hit piece, CZ says the report contains so many factual errors. Bloomberg alleged Binance authored USD1's smart contract and that CZ pursued a presidential pardon from Trump. While CZ previously sued Bloomberg's Chinese edition over a false Ponzi acquisition, securing an apology. Tron founder Justin Sun has pledged $100 million to purchase Trump meme coin in anticipation of a $474 million token unlock scheduled soon. As the largest existing Trump holder, Sun says this move symbolizes a strategic cross-ecosystem alliance between Tron and Trump-linked crypto ventures. The meme coin will be integrated natively on Tron, reinforcing Sun's expanding footprint in political crypto. A new Grayscale report highlights the explosive rise of AI-focused crypto tokens, led by BitInser's Tao, with $3.8 billion market cap, closely followed by Near Protocol at $3.6 billion. Well, the report maps 17 crypto projects into categories spanning platforms, tools, and agent-based AI applications like Render, Fetch.ai, and Worldcoin. Grayscale sees these decentralized networks challenging centralized AI powerhouses through transparency, democratization, and innovation-driven infrastructure. Well, investors are increasingly watching this fast-growing niche for potential long-term value. XRP whales wallets, those holding 1 million or more, have increased to an all-time high of 2,743, collectively controlling over 47.3 billion tokens, according to Sentiment. Now, this wave of accumulation helped XRP surge 26% over the past week, trading near $2.80. Boosted by Bitcoin's rally and the broader altcoin rotation, XRP also benefited from Ripple withdrawing its SEC case and the cross appeal and rolling out XRP Ledger version 2.5.0, a key upgrade aimed at token management and escrow features. A recent Coinbase EY Parthenon survey of 97 institutional investors found that 86% plan to increase crypto holdings this year, with half aiming to allocate over 5% of their total AUM by end of 2025. The regulatory clarity emerged as top driver, although volatility and compliance issues remain concern points. DeFi engagement is expected to double, with tokenized real assets gaining interest across broader portfolios. That's all in the bulletin today. Keep watching 3.0 for more such updates, and do log on to our website www.3ostv.io or scan the QR code.